Aiden, what just happened?
My tooth fell out.
Where is it?
Right in my hand.
Oh my goodness, what tooth was it? Let me see. Open. Oh, you have a hole in your mouth.
I do?
Hold your tooth tight. Come here. Look at me. Open. Let me see that tooth. How old are you?
5.5.
Why are you talking like that?
5.5.
5.5? Does it feel weird?
No.
Smile, and then let me see your tongue. No, smile, and push your tongue. There's your tongue. Look. Put your head up a little. Oh my goodness. What just happened again?
My tooth fell. My mom pulled my tooth out.
Which one was it, your first or your 10th tooth?
My first.
Holy cow.